The reality is December and January and February are going to be rough times. I actually believe they're going to be the most difficult time in the public health history of this nation.
First at 11, a sobering statement from one of the nation's top health leaders. The coronavirus crisis continues getting worse. Good evening, I'm Elliot Rodriguez.
I'm Lauren Pastrana. That message from the director of the CDC coming as more than 100,000 COVID patients are in America's hospitals tonight.
According to the COVID tracking project, this is the first time we've reached that number since this pandemic began. Also rising steadily, infections in Florida, nearly 10,000 more reported today, including more than 3,300 in South Florida. And experts say a post-Thanksgiving surge could come over the next few days.
There have been more than 1,018,000 cases so far in Florida, and tomorrow the nation will likely cross the 14 million mark. CBS 4's Ty Russell is live at Jackson Memorial Hospital, which continues getting ready for a vaccine tonight. Ty.
And Lauren and Elliot, tonight there are roughly 1,200 people battling coronavirus in Miami-Dade and Broward counties. And there is a concern that the number will continue to increase not only through this month, but also next. In recent weeks, doctors have been seeing an increase in the number of sick people battling coronavirus.
Today, we are doing okay. We have it managed. This does not factor in the expected surge from Thanksgiving.
Broward Mayor Steve Geller is worried that more hospital beds will be filled, and there's a concern numbers won't level off anytime soon. And for the first time, the national group COVID Tracking Project recorded more than 100,000 patients in hospitals in the U.S. Wednesday.
Some people are doing Christmas parties. I beg them not to do this. Then, of course, there's the Christmas holiday itself.
So far in Broward, 20% of all non-ICU beds are still open. The latest numbers show 30% of beds in Miami-Dade are open.
By the way, our numbers also are COVID percentages in the hospitals are way down from their June high.
The infection rate is still increasing and slowly inching toward double digits. The two-week average positivity rate of new cases in Miami-Dade is 8.35%, and for Broward it's 7.02. Doctors want it below 5%.
Wearing masks and social distancing is the biggest thing we can do to preserve hospital space.
The fight to keep beds open is happening as the feds work to approve a vaccine. If Pfizer's vaccine is given a thumbs up for emergency use, it could be in South Florida by December 11th. DHL planes are ready. They're already familiar with carrying vaccines requiring extremely cold temperatures. There are cargo containers ready to store the vaccine in a warehouse, and from there it'll go to Jackson Health and Memorial Regional. CVS Pharmacy and Walgreens are also getting ready to receive shipments. And I'm sure many people are on the edge of their seats for this, but the vaccine will not be widely available, at least at first. It's likely that healthcare workers, along with long-term care staff in their residence, may get the first 2 injections. However, that may start in the next 2.5 weeks, so we must wait. But for now, we are live in Miami. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.
We're almost there, Ty. Thank you.